Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this electric shaver from Silvercrest Personal Care with retractable precision styler, 3-blade system, IPX6 waterproof, operating time 70 minutes, charging time 60 minutes with a 3 years warranty. Well, let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. And of course inside we have the manual. If you want to read it, your choice, but stay with me, we're going to find out all about this product. Included we have the bag. You can have your shaver inside the bag. There it is. With all the other accessories, the charging cable and this brush for cleaning the shaving heads. The charging cable, it is type A to type C. I like type C. It is about 1 meter. I like the thickness. Not included a power adapter. Well, you can charge it from any power adapter 5 volt, even from your power bank. The cover, I like it. Ergonomically shaped housing with soft touch grip, I like it. Retractable bird and sideburn styler. Optimum contour adjustment for a gentle and thorough shave. Detachable shaving head, clean underwater, just press these 2 buttons. Remove. There is the foil here, left and right. And here it is the cutter block. Don't touch. Just clean it with this brush when needed. Install again the foil, press and it locks. Or if you want, you can press these 2 buttons only and remove the foil. There it is. With a cutter inside, we have then the cutter between the 2 foils. Press and it locks. And we can see it moves left and right. I like that. Adjusting as you are shaving yourself. Of course, I will test it and see how well it can save me. Nice. The housing is protected against powerful water jets, IPX6. We have the button at the front. Press and we can see is locked. We can see the red icon, practical locking function for transport. When you are traveling, if accidentally pressing the button, it will not start. I like it. So to disable that, just press and hold for 3 seconds. And we can see the display, battery indicator, battery symbol, again, plug symbol, cleaning symbol under the water and the lock symbol. We can see all that for 4 seconds after pressing the button. And of course you can charge it with a type C. Very convenient. You can use the cable with your power bank, any power adapter with 5 volt, and it's charging. So let's wait until it will fully charge, and test it on myself. 100% is fully charged. I like the results. After no more than 2 minutes I have smooth shaved skin. My beard was big, so it was a little bit difficult to clean at this length, but has managed to do the job, leaving me with a good sensation of clean face and no beard. The cost is only 24 euros, fair enough price, portable and rechargeable, you can have it anywhere and use it at the right time. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.